How to fix Gmail cannot attach file. So to fix attachment problems in the Gmail app, the first thing what you can do is check that your file is under the 25 MB limit, because larger files must go through the Google Drive. Now the next what you can do is avoid sending unsaved files like exe programs. Also try attaching the file directly from inside the Gmail app instead of using the share menu from another app. Now to fix app and device issues on your Android device, what you can do is go to settings, go to apps, then find Gmail, and then go to its storage, then tap clear cache. Also make sure Gmail has permission to access your phone storage and photos. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Gmail app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is go to the existing Gmail app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap remove app from the menu, then tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go back to your app store, find the Gmail app, and then reinstall it from there. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a weak signal. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.